Hello student, welcome to my channel. Students, today we are going to solve some more questions about parameter of circle. In your previous classes, you have already solved various questions on the concept of parameter of square and rectangle. In this class, we are being studied the advanced level of perimeter and area, and I hope that you get everything whatever we have discussed in our previous session. And here we get a new concept, that is the perimeter of circle. So we shall discuss more and more questions as possible. So, I suggest to all students, solve more and more questions for your better practice. Because the questions that you solve in this class will help you for your further education. So you need to do more and more questions to clear your bright future. So student, now let us start our today's topic, that will be on concept of perimeter of circle. So let us see our next question. Our today's first question is, a wire forming a rectangle of dimension, a wire forming a rectangle of dimensions 9 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. 9 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter is is stretched 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 to form a circle and bent again in form of circle and bent again in form of circle. What would be the diameter of the circle be? What would be the diameter of the circle D? So this is the given question. Now let us see what does the question say and try to solve the problem. Question says that a wire forming a rectangle of dimensions 9 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. There is a long wire which form a rectangle whose length is 9 centimeter and width is 6.4 centimeter. Now stop here and draw a rectangle. This is the rectangle which having a length of 9 centimeter and width is 6.4 centimeter. Okay, so just tell me about, if we find the perimeter of the rectangle, that will be the total length of the wire. So when we convert it into a circle, then just tell me, will its length of the wire convert or not? Then your answer will be clear that no, because the same wire is used to form the circle again. So there is no any chance to change the length of the wire, which means that the perimeter of rectangle and the perimeter of circle will remain same. Okay, so first of all, here we conclude that the perimeter of rectangle and circumference of circle will equal. Okay, that is that is 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, student. So now see the next. What does the question say? A wire forming a rectangle of dimension 9 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter is stretched and bent again in form of circle, then what would be the diameter of circle B? Okay, so since the perimeter of rectangle and the circumference of circle both remain same, so whenever we substitute the value as given in the question, we can easily find out the radius of circle, and after making twice of radius will give us diameter of circle. So student, now let us start its solution. So here first of all we shall write length is equal to 9 centimeter and width is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle will equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, now just substitute the value. We shall get 2 multiplied by 9 plus 6.4. So it gives us 2 multiplied by 15.4. And when we solve, we get 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 1 2 and 1 3. That means it will be equal to 30.8 centimeter. So 30.8 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle. 30.8 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle, which is the total length of wire, which is the total length of wire. Since the same wire is used to make circle, so it will obvious that the total length of wire will never change. So here we can say that perimeter of rectangle is equal to circumference is equal to circumference, that is 38 30.8 is equal to 2 pi r. Now just solve it. We shall get, now when we solve it, we get 2 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by r is equal to 30.8. So you can write 308 upon 10 also, as I told you. So when we solve, we get r is equal to 30 upon 10 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiplied by 22. Okay. Now just solve it. We shall get 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, and 2 4 are 8. Okay. Again divide it by 11. 11 2 are 22. 11 1 are 11 and 11 4 are 44. And now you can 2 1 are 2 and 2 7 are 14. And here we get our result as we have 7 multiplied by 7 upon 10, and this will be equal to 4 7 is 49 upon 10, or it can be written as 4.9 centimeter. Okay, this will be equal to 4.9 centimeter. Now you can see it clearly. I have put here. Okay. You can just see from here when we solve this. I think now you can see everything clearly. So here, as you can see that when we solve it, we get this 7 7 are 49 upon 10, and since here the denominator is 10, so we can change it as this represent the radius of circle. This represent the radius of circle, and diameter is equal to twice of radius. Diameter is equal to twice of radius. So this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 4.9, which give us 2 9 are 18, 2 4 are 8 plus 1, 9 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter is 4.9 centimeter. Sorry, 9.8 centimeter. Therefore, 9.8 is the right answer. 9.8 is the very true answer. So, student, I hope it is clear to everyone. So, please don't be confused. Just see the question carefully, as I told you many times. Read the question carefully before solution. Just read the question carefully, you will get the solution easily. So student, I hope it is clear. Now let us see the next question. The next question is a cycle wheel has a cycle wheel has a radius of a radius of 28 centimeter. What distance will it travel? What distance will it travel in one revolution? In one revolution. Okay. So this is the given question, and one more question is added here. In 24 revolution. In 24 revolution. There are two questions. The second question is very easy. Whenever we get the revolution, the length covered in one revolution, we can easily find the length covered in 24 revolution. So let us see how we shall solve it. So here, now let us see our solution. First of all, read the question carefully. Question says that a cycle wheel. So draw a cycle wheel. This is a cycle wheel of radius 28 centimeter. Means the stick in the wheel is of 28 centimeter long. What wheel distance it travel? So just listen me carefully. The total length of circumference will be the distance traveled by wheel in one revolution. The circumference of circle will equal to the distance covered in one revolution. So just still remember, length of circumference is equal to the distance covered in one revolution. In one revolution. So it is clear that if we find the perimeter of circle will represent the distance covered in one revolution. So here circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now put the value 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 28. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. And here we get 2 multiplied by 88 will equal to 176 centimeter, which represent that the cycle will cover 176 centimeter in one revolution. Therefore, distance covered in 24 revolution is equal to 24 is equal to, we can direct multiply by 24, we get 4. When we solve it, we shall get our result. Okay, now here we can solve it. 176 24, we get 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, and 4 1 are 4. 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, and 2 1 are 2 is equal to 4 2 2 4. So here we get the result 4224 centimeter, or it will be equal to 442 meter 24 centimeter. So student, I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear in my next video. Till then, goodbye.